Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty with real, honest insights to help you make better decisions. Today, we're focusing on the Derma E Ultra Hydrating Night Cream. If you're struggling with dry, aging skin, this might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Packed with powerful ingredients like hyaluronic acid and green tea, it promises intense hydration and anti-aging benefits. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's start with the basics. This night cream is designed to replenish and deeply nourish your skin while you sleep. The formula features hyaluronic acid, which is a favorite in the skincare world for its ability to draw moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. Green tea, a potent antioxidant, is also included to help maintain your skin's natural barrier, protecting it from external stressors. Derma E claims this cream provides up to 72 hours of intense moisture, which is quite impressive for any overnight product. When I first started using this night cream, I was impressed by its rich yet smooth texture. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue, which is a huge plus for a lot of people, especially if you tend to feel weighed down by heavy creams. I applied a generous layer as directed, and I could immediately feel the cream sinking into my skin, leaving it feeling soft and well hydrated. Over the past few weeks of testing this product, I've used it both during my typical evening skincare routine and after using more exfoliating treatments. What I've noticed is that it really helps to balance out any dryness or tightness I experience from active ingredients like retinol or AHAs. The next morning, my skin feels more supple and deeply moisturized, which is exactly what you want from a night cream. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the formula is incredibly hydrating. Even in drier months, it provides lasting moisture that doesn't feel heavy or clog pores. The fact that it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free is definitely a big win for those who are conscious of product ethics, and the packaging is recyclable, which I appreciate. Plus, the inclusion of green tea adds an antioxidant boost that can help protect skin from environmental stress. However, it's not without a few potential downsides. While the cream is great for dry to normal skin types, if you have oily skin, you may want to test it first. Some users with oilier complexions might find it a little too rich for their nightly routine. Also, if you're sensitive to fragrances, this product does have a slight scent, though it's fairly mild and fades quickly once applied. Is it worth the price? At around $25 for 2 odds, it's positioned as a mid-range product. Given the quality of the ingredients, hyaluronic acid, green tea, and the fact that it provides lasting hydration, I do think it's priced fairly. However, if you're on a tighter budget or just want to try something similar before committing, there are other brands like CeraVe or Neutrogena that offer hydrating night creams at a lower price point, though you might not get the same clean ingredients or eco-friendly packaging. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still offers great hydration, I'd recommend checking out CeraVe's PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It's also packed with niacinamide and ceramides, which help strengthen the skin's barrier, though it lacks the anti-aging punch of green tea and hyaluronic acid. As for build quality, the cream comes in a simple, well-designed jar. While it's not the most high-end packaging, it's functional and practical. I also really appreciate that it's a recyclable container, in line with Derma E's commitment to sustainability. As for longevity, this product will last you a good amount of time if you follow the recommended usage. A little goes a long way, and I'm confident that you'll see visible results in just a few weeks. If you've had any experiences with Derma E or this night cream, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Has it worked for you? Or do you prefer a different product for your nighttime routine? In conclusion, if you're looking for a clean, vegan, and hydrating night cream with some anti-aging benefits, the Derma E Ultra Hydrating Night Cream is definitely worth considering. It delivers on its promises of moisture and skin protection while being gentle on the skin. I would recommend this to anyone with dry to normal skin types or those seeking a nighttime treatment that will leave their skin feeling refreshed and replenished by morning. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.